Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open Taskbar under setting with command in Windows 11. So to open the taskbar settings directly in Windows 11 using a command, you can just follow the steps. You can use the run dialog. So just type in Windows plus R and until this run a dialog box pop up. You can just type this following command and then just tap on enter. MS and then setting, hit this one, taskbar. Write this and then tap on OK or enter. And this command will take you directly to the taskbar setting page in the Windows 11 settings app. You can also use command prompt or PowerShell. You can open the command prompt or PowerShell by clicking on this Windows plus X and then choose your preferred tool. You can just type the following command and press on enter. You can just use the same as before, the code MS setting and then taskbar. And you can also use a shortcut. So if you frequently need to access taskbar settings, you can create a shortcut by right click on your desktop and then tap on new, choose new and click on shortcut. And in here you need to enter the following in this type location of the item. You can just enter this one, the same as before, MS setting and taskbar. And you can just tap on next and name the shortcut, for example taskbar, and after that you can just tap on finish and you can just double click the shortcut whenever you want to access taskbar settings. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.